International business. So today we will be discussing about the modes of entry in the international business. We know that in international business we will be using different modes in order to enter into the international market. So first we will discuss what is the reason for entering into the international market. So first one is the new opportunities. So when we are going for the internationalization of our business, we are getting a wide varieties of opportunities to sell our product. Because if we are concentrating on the home market itself, we will be having our market will be limited to the home market only. Okay, if we are going for the internationalization of our business, we can widen our business opportunities. Second one is the secure resources. Okay, so when we are going for the internationalization, we can acquire the resources which is needed for the production of our product from the whole world. Okay, we will be able to attain the resources which is required for the production from wherever it is available. We know that all the resources which is needed for the production of the various products will not be available in the home country itself. We have to gather the product resources which is needed for the production. So through the internationalization of the business, we can gather all these resources from various countries where it is available at a lower cost. Then economy of scale. Okay, economy of scale means here when we go for the internationalization, we will be able to acquire new technologies, and we will be able to do the globalization. Okay, all these things can be done through the internationalization of the our product. Okay, so the economy of scale can be achieved through attaining the new technology, because when we use advanced technologies, definitely we can reduce the cost of production. So economies of scale can be achieved. Okay, and next thing is the benefits of global marketing. Economy of scale in the production and marketing, unifying the product development, transfer of the experience and know-how. So these are the benefits of global marketing. Okay, and next we will be discussing what are the different modes of entry into the international market. First one, trade related mode is there, contractual mode is there, investment mode is there. These are the three main classification. In trade related mode, export and import are included. So it includes the counter trade, barter system, counter purchase, offset, buyback. Second one is the contractual mode. It includes leasing, licensing, franchising, turnkey project. Third one is the investment mode. Investment mode includes foreign direct investment and foreign portfolio investment. So about this foreign direct investment and foreign portfolio investment, we have already studied in the business environment chapter. Okay, next we will be discussing about the trade related entry mode. So this trade related entry mode mainly includes the export and import. Okay, and we know that what is exporting and what is importing. Exporting refers to the selling of goods and services from the home country to the foreign nation. So whatever produced in the home country can be sold in the foreign countries. That is the exporting. We are exporting the product which are produced in the home country to the foreign countries. Importing refers to the purchasing of the products from the foreign countries and bringing those products into the home country. That is the importing. So firms can either export their goods or the services. Whatever we have, we can export, or we can import goods or service, whatever which we want. This export can be classified into two, that is the direct export and indirect export. So the direct export means there is no intermediaries in the direct export. Without any intermediaries, we are carrying out the export activities directly in the direct export. When we come to the indirect export, it is carried out through the export intermediaries. The exporters do not have any control because the export is carried out through the export intermediaries, so they do not have any control. So direct export includes the scale sales representatives, importing distributors. Okay, so the sales representatives includes, they are foreign suppliers or manufacturers in their own local market. They will provide support service to a manufacturer regarding the local advertising, local sales, customer clearances and formalities. So all these services will be provided by the sales representatives. So when we come to the import distributors, they will purchase the product in their own right and resell in their local market to the wholesalers, retailers and both. That is the importing distributors. Next we are coming to the indirect export. So we already told that in the indirect export, it is carried out with the help of a intermediary. Okay, and the exporter do not have any control over that. Indirect export trading companies. Okay, includes the export trading companies, export management companies and all. Export trading company mean they will be providing support service for the entire export process from one or more suppliers. Okay, so they are providing the support services to the suppliers or the exporters. Export management company is similar to the export trading companies. Okay, so carry on. Confirming houses, non-confirming purchase agent, export merchants, all these things are included in the indirect export. And next, when we come to the major export price quotations, this includes four. First one is the free on board, FOB. Here, the buyer will be responsible for the insurance and freight expenses in the transporting goods from the shipment port to the destination port. So here the buyer is the responsible person on free on board, FOB. Free along, second one is the free alongside ship, FAS. In FAS, the seller covers all the cost and risk up to the side of the ship to the designated export port. So in FOB, the buyer is responsible for all the cost and risk. In FAS, the seller is responsible for the all cost and risk. Next one is the CIF, cost, insurance, freight. Last one is the C&F, cost and freight. Next, what we have to discuss is the advantages as well as the disadvantages of exporting. Okay, so when we say about the advantages of exporting, we can say that whatever is excess in our country, we can export to the other countries and we can make profit, because whatever it is not, we are not sure that we will not be able to sell whatever we have produced in the home country itself. Okay, excess things we can find a market for our excess product in the other countries. So through the exporting, we can increase our profit also. And next one is that goodwill of our product will be definitely increased if we are exporting that particular product. And one more thing is that through the internationalization, we will be able to widen the market for our product, and we will be able to acquire the resources which is required for the production of our product from the worldwide, and we will be able to increase the profitability. We can find the buyers from all over the world. All these things are possible through the exporting. When we come to the disadvantages, definitely when we export the product, The quality product we will be trying to export, and the second quality product we may be trying to sell in our local market. That can be one of the disadvantage, and definitely the price of the product may go on increasing, and we will be find it difficult to find suitable market for our product. And if we are not able to understand the international market properly, means we may suffer some loss. So these are the disadvantages. So today we have discussed about the modes of entry, and we have discussed about the export